Just landed in Poland. We're off to do a workshop for a couple of days with a client who phoned me up and asked me if I wanted to come over and do it. Of course, if there's a flight involved, I'm involved. So here we are in Poland. Bit windy flight on the way in, a bit scary. Not as scary as this cab drive though, but I think he's been watching the Formula One. Yeah, we'll keep you in touch as we go. This old bad boy. This is proper Russia, Soviet Union malarkey. Hello. So here we are in the studio in the middle of Warsaw to do a workshop today, and it's Kit Central. We've got loads of bits and pieces, so we'll run through those once we get going. Okay. So we've got tons of kit going on for all you gear geeks. There's a load of SPL monitor stuff here, backs, massive passive, Culture Vulture, tons, everything from Better Maker. We've got Lavery Gold, Solaris, SSL, key speakers, AVAs. It's basically everything you could want. Follow me and then I'll show you another kit room. So there's this other room which is basically full of more toys if we want to use them. We've got a dangerous converter there, Tube Tech compressor, 1176, a Drawmer 1976, didn't realise I had that, that's quite cool. A purple bastard, a curve bender, another Crane Song Head 192, a Burl, because there's a Burl bomber here, there's an SSL comp, another one, Masalek mixer, then a Burl mixer, and then a dangerous mixer. I mean, it's just on and on. Compressor, dangerous. This Medica, which is basically a Rupert Neve EQ. And then we've got a load of Better Maker little 500 boxes. And then we've got that other Culture Vulture. And then we've got some more stuff down here, Matt, which is, these are great. This is a little C2 Smart research thing. It's like an SSL compressor, but it was like a little bit of a mod one. It's worth looking. These Chandlers are brilliant. Distressors, Charter, I don't know what that is. It looks like an EQ, yeah, it is an EQ. And then there's some more Chandler stuff there. Plenty of toys to play with, and we'll see how we go on. One of the main reasons I only go out the box, and this is quite good for you guys because you've got so much equipment, is I'll just use most of the stuff when I go outside, hybrid, will be for colour. So I'm only going out the box if I want to add a little bit of colour or like noise and stuff. It's like, if you think about it, like everything's been in the box, it's like opening up a door where it's like you can bring some air in and some kind of, and that's really what you're going to get from analog equipment, is that extra kind of noise, if you like. So sometimes it's quite nice, for instance, the backs, I mean, they're mainly just to run through, and then you don't have to do too much, it's quite nice. So straight away, for me, so when you start mastering, you should always work from the bottom up. The first thing I'm listening to is the low end, because if you can get the low end solid, the top end kind of sorts itself out. It's very easy, as I said yesterday, to add top and then feel really good about yourself that it all sounds bright and open. But that won't work really. What you've got to do is like get the bass tight. So yeah, top end, it's smooth now, and we haven't added any top end.
Yeah.
We've just tightened up the low end and that low mids with that cut, and then we don't need to add any top. And it sounds
actually
posh.
really crazy.
Where most people will go, oh yeah, I need to add some top in there, and they'll add some top, and then you're counteracting that by adding some more bottom, and then before it, you know it, you're in throw in something else in it. I've done it. I've spent years doing that. Okay, guys, how did you find the mastering workshop? Did it work?
It was mind-blowing. Actually, mastering in my head was a completely different process than what you showed us, and it's such a mindset thing that it's once you think in a different way, all the tools that you have already, you just kind of ditch them.
Put them in the bin.
Yeah,
Start
and
again.
you use it in a whole different way, and it works, and it's faster, and it's better. So
ticks a few boxes.
yeah.
Yeah.
Are you now going to be the mastering
Hopefully,
legend of Poland?
it's totally new world for me. So like till now I'm mind blown, and I need to take some time to process all the information and just be comfortable with it. But it's mind blowing. Thank you very much.
So just left the studio that I've been doing a mastering workshop, and it kind of blows my mind when, for someone who's been doing it for 25 years, when I can actually, I've got a formula that I can teach people, and it seems like something that you shouldn't be able to put into a formula, but I kind of have, and it blows my mind when then people use it and can make it work, and that's really exciting, and it's good to see people, you know, learning how to master in a really simple way, and it kind of, you know, takes the dark clouds away, if you like, for them, because they're kind of overthinking what's going on. Yeah, it's been great in Poland, and hopefully we get home. I haven't got the flu yet, so hopefully we don't get locked down, but yeah, on the way to the airport, so I'll probably see you on the other side of the airport, hopefully.